if you're the last man standing, like you're going to have business and things are going to go well for you.
At the Canva event that I went to recently, there was a panel and Ron Butler was up there. He was sharing his like really positive outlook on AI that like 3 to 5 years, the A side is going to be but the B side has a 10-year time horizon to it just because of the complexity of the files.
I feel like banks are getting more of the market share of the last couple of years, and we're all seeing that with competitive rates and all that. So that's one angle. The second angle is AI is developing so damn fast that people will start to be more comfortable using AI to make their daily decisions, even when it comes to their mortgage. Like people are going to trust LLMs like ChatGPT to make their decisions. That's my personal opinion. But I do agree that I think the advanced mortgage strategies, that is going to take some time for AI to replace that sort of thing, because people aren't going to want to implement the Smith maneuver, cash damming, debt swap. They're not going to want to implement these things on their own without having someone there to consult them. So I think that is here for the long term, 10 years plus, but we could be sitting here 15 years from now and we could be saying like, oh, remember the time we thought that we're going to be extinct in 10 years? Who knows?
Yeah, and I think there's going to still be a lot of opportunity for brokers and a lot of value that we can provide to people, provided that we learn and we evolve with AI as a tool and we implement into our business and we grow and scale with it. You know, the banks are going to work on something that's very focused on the bank's products. We can use AI and build different things out that's going to be beneficial to our business, and we should.
The thing I think is going to happen is the amount of mortgage brokers and agents there are in Canada, that number is going to shrink drastically over the years, but the ones that stick around, they're going to have the market share for people that do want to use a mortgage broker. And the business model might be different. Like it might not be as straightforward as it is. Hey, you need a mortgage. Okay, cool. Here's your A lender options. Pick which one you want to go with. Away you go. It's going to start converting over to that consulting side of things where you're consulting them on like what the best options are for their specific situation, and kind of like the same model as like a fee for service financial planner, but on the mortgage side. I think that's how things might start playing out. Then you're always going to have the being private long term, maybe 10 years plus, like Ron said, maybe it's going to be longer. Of course, you've got the advanced strategies that I think will be around for a while.